Let's go. Okay, right there. So instead of the last OIT, you see why we have the last OIT towards the end after the branch? No, don't delete. You're just to change that only the OIT to Pulsar V2. Yeah. Pulsar dash V2, all lowercase. Hyphen. Yeah, that's right. Now do the same for retrieval. No, for framework now. That's okay. Then the next should be KB upload. So let me share the link. So you only change the URL, everything else remains the same. Then we need alarm categorization, retrieval. Pulsar V2. Then next do the SER, the link's already there. So after the SER, you go next to SOP, same steps. So team, basically here now what we are doing, we are creating or pulling code from products dev repo, and specifically we are pulling the Pulsar V2 branch because that is what has the latest code that we have been working on all this time. So what Analysis is doing is just changing there's a space between, changing the URLs for the repos. And then the next service we have left, is there anyone? So yeah, we are supposed to also push the RCA agent. So how did you name it? And it's on the repo. RCA Pulsar. I don't see RCA Pulsar. I see RCA agent. Okay. Okay. So the same thing. Yes, the link. Just now, which branch? No, I see we have main and beta. Okay then. So just recall the same commands, change the URL, but instead of the branch being Pulsar V2, change it to main now. Yeah. Instead of Pulsar V2, should be main. So in the meantime, we have to find out the .envs for the various services so that we can use them here. And then I'll paste the link. And the password, and then what should be next is for me to create another folder. Okay, finish that first. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, wait. For that, no, there's a problem with that repo. I think you pushed some files that need not to be pushed. That's why it's so big. You see, it's 140.74 MB. Usually should be less than max of 3 MB. That's the problem now. Okay, we'll clean it up. No, no worries, no worries. We'll clean it up. Okay, so next thing to do, create. Let me see LA. So we verify the number of samples we have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So next thing you need to do, create a folder named SEC. Just right there. SEC. Make a directory, name it SEC. Let me type. No, SEC security. That I sent on chat. Seen it? Okay, okay. So inside there, just a minute, let me verify what we need. No. Give me a moment, I verify what is needed. Right there. So inside right here, we need file check ls. Perfect. So do this. You create these files. Let me just share with you on the chat. So start with that. Then we fill it, and then we go to the next one. Yeah. Paste that right there. And then the next one is I'll also share that. And then the next, we need KBR. its credentials are as follows. And then the last one that we need here is KBU. And then now, the last one is for the SOP. Yeah. For SOP, we have to come up with a new credential since we haven't deployed before. Let me check if I can do some comparison and find it. KB SOP. Okay. So Annette, give me some time. I compile for you for the SOP.env since we haven't had it before. So I have to cross verify. Just a moment. I'm still preparing that .env. So actually now, and when I do that, you remember in the UI we also used OAT, right? No, I mean in the KBUI, remember we used the branch OAT. Change it. We should be using the Pulsar v2. That was a mistake from my side. Yeah, just check. You can delete the entire clone we did, the KBUI, and just reclone from now. How do you call it? From the Pulsar v2 branch. KBUI, yeah. So the KBUI, delete it, right? And then let's delete KBUI. Then I will give you the new, now you know how to do it. Just git clone single branch. The branch name is Pulsar V2, and then the URL for KBUI. We already shared it on the chat. So while you do that, I'm also fixing the env file for SOP right here. I'm deploying an application. So just give me a moment to share that. Let me see a minute. So git clone. No. You have to just do it from outside. Have you created a new directory? Okay, go back one step. Go back one step. LSL. So delete KBUI. RF KBUI. Okay. Then just create a new folder, name it OAT. So next time we come, we know where our words and files are. Then change directory inside that OAT. Yeah. So then now you can do git clone single branch, then the branch name, and then the branch name. No, git clone single branch, and then branch has single one, single hyphen, not double. Pulsar V2 still the same. I've shared with you the link. Just check it. What is it saying? Git clone single branch Pulsar V2. Let me verify. I think we need to have that. Let me just verify really quick. It's there. Why is it? Or is it the command that is wrong? Let me verify that. No, it is always one for the branch. Just a minute, I'll verify. Yeah, Pulsar V2 is there. And the command is it's double actually, sorry. Yeah. Yeah, it's double. You are right. It's hyphen branch. Hyphen branch. That should work. Just add one. Okay. Okay. Now you remember the .env, LSLA. Now cd into kbui. I mean, into that directory, that was UI. It's a web app. Then the same, just copy the ones that we shared earlier. Let me just paste for you one more time. You got them? Okay, then make the changes from React app to Vite. Remove the build, yeah, and then then you also remove the backslashes. Okay, perfect. Now let's go back to the app server. I hope you didn't close it, right? Yeah, let's go back there. Yeah, right there. So create a nano.env.sop. And then once you've done that, copy what I've sent on the chat, but we're going to make edits one by one because that's from dev. So scroll to the top. I'll be telling you how we do it. Scroll to the top. No, yeah, we have to, yeah, because we have to edit. So I'll be checking what we have in other services and we replace. So first we have kicklock URL. Let me see what other services are using. Kicklock URL, yeah, there we go. So delete what is there, copy with what I'm sharing. Delete the value, not the key, the value. Mm. And then we have the client. Client ID, okay. There is the idea of shared in the secret. Then allowed domains. Allowed domains. it should be just a minute, I'll check. Give it a star. Yeah, remove everything and give it a star. Delete everything and just give it a star. Allowed domains star, like everything. Delete the full stop, then type star. And then for the port, according to the flow document, what did you give it? 8008. Confirm. Okay, that's so it's okay. Let's go back to the TNB. So next, course origin. So for this, give it a star for now, just like the other domains. We'll change it later. DB host is 172.23. Let me paste it for you. There you go. Then the user, their own chat have shared. And then the password, let me share the password. The password, there you go. And then the name. I've already given you the name, right? Let me give you the name. Okay. No, no, wait first. There's no, bro. You see, you've put it in the wrong place. What I shared latest is the password. Mm. And then the name right there. What next do we need? The certificates, okay. Yeah, I'll share that key file and fat file. Okay, do this, save it so that I can pick it up while you are away for a minute. Then if you come back, you'll pick it up. Yeah. Okay, just share it. I'll pick it. Of course, we are recording. So as soon as you're done, just come back. So save this so that when I... Okay, okay, then let's finish this .env, then you can just go for your lunch. Then you'll come back, find us or still progressing. Yeah. So there's the start files. Just copy the necessary parts and replace. No, the first ones are comments. Those are just comments. So the actual values are the last two. Copy the values only, then you can replace with the values we have there. Yeah, then moving forward, now we go to the tenants, the IDs, okay? So let me also take that for you. Let me verify. Oh, SharePoint, yeah. So let's start with the site ID. I'll copy it and paste. No, I've shared the site ID. Yeah, that is site ID. And then, wait a minute, something isn't okay. Site ID I shared, okay? Yeah, that's it. So drive ID, let me share the drive ID as the next. So that is drive ID. And then folder path, just leave it the way it is. First paste that drive ID. For the secret, I don't see if I have a secret here, but we'll verify that later. And then the last one, the sender email. Use the MPA pulsar. No, let me verify with the actual email, because without that it won't work. Yeah, sent. And then for the OpenAI endpoint, that is right here. So first, let me share with you everything you need for the Azure OpenAI. There you go. Just pick the relevant parts only.